From the first impression of lightning to discovering and understanding electricity, studies and applications of electricity promote the development of society. However, phenomenon and material features under high voltage, large current, and intense EM field are still full of unknown. At more than 30 institutes and laboratories worldwide, hundreds of millions of dollars are invested in high voltage related research every year, along with more than 10 international academic conferences. These research activities involve thousands of researchers. In this context, the Journal of High Voltage emerges, focusing on the discharge mechanism and applications of materials and organism. Under high voltage, large current, and intense EM field, the journal covers 4 main topics, including electric insulation, discharge, plasmas and pulse power, high field effects, and high voltage engineering. It is expected to become a pioneer in the research fields of high voltage. The journal is co-founded by the largest power research institute in China, China Electric Power Research Institute, one of the top global organizations for engineers and technicians, the Institution of Engineering and Technology, and Tsinghua University, one of the greatest research-oriented universities in the world. The editorial board of High Voltage is composed of top-class researchers from over 10 countries. The 2 editors-in-chief are Professor Zhi Changguan, Professor Masoud Farzaneh. The 5 vice editors-in-chief are Professor Liang Zhongyao, Professor Rong Zheng, Professor Farhad Rashidi, Professor Yun Ha Choi, and Professor Gennady Mesyats. The editorial office of High Voltage is made up of experienced editors and professional science editors, with the full support from one of the top academic power journal publisher in China, the Journal Center of CEPRI. At present, the academic research of high voltage are thriving. An increasing number of academic papers are published on SCI index journals every year. These studies hold great potential in applications, not only in power industry, but also in interdisciplinary aspects such as environment protection, biomedicine, material processing, aviation, and aerospace industries, etc. High Voltage is confident of becoming a world-class platform for academic communication related to high voltage and looks forward to leading the discipline development.
It's a pleasure to witness the start of this promising journal as editor-in-chief with Professor Guan. High voltage is a very important discipline dealing with fundamental issues in power industry. With worldwide development and increasing use of ultra-high voltage technologies, we are facing new challenges and areas to explore. With your support, we are confident that this journal will become a world-class platform for high voltage research and its application, leading to new developments.